Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is linear functions, writing an equation from a table of values. Let's take a look at the problem that we have today. The table shows the amount of pet food in cups remaining in an automatic feeder as a function of the number of meals the feeder has dispensed. So you're going to start off with so much food, and then as the food is dispensed, the total amount of food will go down. So we're going to say that N is our number of meals being dispensed, X, and our Y is the amount of food remaining in cups. Well, I see something missing right off the bat. Our 0 is missing. So I'm going to go ahead and build a chart over here to include 0. Because we need to know how much food we start with, and we don't have that yet. We know that when we dispense one meal, we have 21 cups remaining. When we dispense 3 cups, we have 15 cups remaining. When we dispense 6, we have 6 meals. We have 6 cups remaining. And when we dispense 7 meals, we have 3 cups of food remaining. So we need to write down a few things because we're trying to model a function. And these functions are actually modeled in the form y equals mx plus b. So I would say we need to write 3 things down. M equals, b equals, y equals mx plus b, where m is our rate of change or our slope, and b is our y-intercept or starting point. Okay, so let's see if we can find that out. Our change in y. Well, let's take a look. It seems that our y is actually decreasing by 21 minus 15 would be 6, so it's decreasing by 6 here. So I would say that would be negative 6. And it's looking like our meals increased by 2 from here. So negative 6 for change in y, and then positive 2 for change in x. So negative 6 divided by 2 means that we're losing 3 cups per meal. So 3 cups of food per 1 meal. So every time we give the dog a meal, we're pulling 3 cups of food out of the bag. So our m is negative 3. We just need to figure out what our b is, how much we're starting with. Okay, well, if we're at 21 right here, then I would need to just go backwards. So if I'm at 1 already for x, and I go to 0, then that means that if I subtract 3, or excuse me, if I add 3, that's going to put me at 24. So I will have started with 24 cups of food. So my b is 24. So we can write our equation. Y equals to negative 3x plus 24. Okay, now that's using a table. How would we do it algebraically? Let's do that. Again, using some values that we have. I'm just going to randomly pick some here. Using the algebraic way, we'd say y equals mx plus b. And we know that our y is 3, so we'll put a 3 here. We calculated our m to be negative 3 earlier. We know our x is 7. So we could calculate our b here. So we could say negative 3 times 7 is negative 21 plus b. And then solving for b, we would add 21 to both sides. And so we would get 24. So b is 24. And in fact, that's exactly what we got earlier when we did it using the table. So our equation is y equals negative 3x plus 24, or f of x equals negative 3x plus 24. Our answer is A. Well, thanks for watching today, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.